Hey guys, so we're in Poznan in Poland today.
We're going to be going to a croissant museum, looking around the town. It's so cute. We just got here. It's adorable. If you're new to our channel, I'm Hannah.
And I'm Myra.
And we make travel videos as we travel around Europe in our self-built camper van. So please subscribe for 3 to 4 videos every week on different cities we visit, a little bit of van life, and yeah.
Yeah.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane.
This is such a cute little town. Like, all the buildings are really colourful. It's like a fairy tale, and it's perfect for a winter Christmassy kind of vibe. It's so cute. Got a Christmas market going on.
Something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within.
So we've walked around pretty much all of the old town, and we've still got 45 minutes until the museum, the Croissant museum, and it is freezing. Like,
So
you can see our wrist. Look. This is so, I think it's like -5, feels like -10 degrees today. So I think we might go find a cafe or something to sit in for the next 45 minutes, because I think if we just stand outside, we're literally gonna freeze.
yeah, it's so
Dreamy, breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes.
I'm so excited to try it.
It's got a lot of filling in it.
Yeah. So we just finished at the croissant show. It was really good.
Yeah, it was really fun.
Yeah, they were like, the guys doing it were quite funny. There were a lot of jokes. It was really interesting to see, and you get to taste a bit of the croissant. You don't get a whole one, you get maybe like a third or a quarter, maybe.
Yeah. Would definitely recommend doing it. It's
Yeah,
a lot
it
of
was
fun.
18 zlotys each, which was pretty good. It was almost an hour.
Yeah.
And it was a nice break from the freezing
Yeah,
cold.
yeah.
And I'm sure in summertime it would be a nice break from the heat. But yeah, it was really cool.
Undercover agents of
It's freezing. There's even ice floating down the river.
Like little icebergs. We weren't going to keep looking around the town, but it's just so cold.
It is.
Like, it's like -6 or 7 degrees, feels like like 12 or something.
Not used to this weather at all.
I don't think even if you were, I think it's like not very variable.
Yeah.
So we're just walking back to the van, and then I think we're going to get driving. It's too cold to do anything.
Yeah. Still sour breath.
So
Oh,
yeah,
it's cold.
your hands are warm.
Yeah.
Like, I have so many layers, like our last vlog. 2 pairs of thermal leggings, jeans, thermal singlet, thermal long sleeve top, thermal jumper, another jumper, coat, scarf, gloves, hat, socks, boots, and I'm still freezing.
Freezing. So we'll get in the van, drive a bit, and yeah, we'll check you guys out later. Bye.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.